ready to work out. It's Monday. I hope you are excited and ready to tone your body. Remember, Christmas is around. You should be watching out on what you are eating and also work out. Morning, Cleo.
Morning.
Are you ready to go?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Okay. So today, Cleo, you have a great idea. Do you want to show us or should we just go?
We are going to still, as Joe's still working on her hats, I thought we could show you something that's a Pilates new. So we're going to show you the harder version first. So you're going to balance on your one leg, on the right leg, Joe.
You can do it. You can do it. Okay.
Right,
I think I need step. I need space.
Yes, okay, so
Space.
it's over.
Okay.
So we're going to balance on your right, on your left leg. It is difficult. And we're going to go down to your left. It is difficult, as you can see I'm struggling. And then back up.
Yes.
And then down to your right. Back up. And if you want to do an easier version, Joe,
And remember to pull in your stomach.
yeah, you can just take your leg up and leg down.
Down.
Leg up. It is still difficult. And leg down. So testing your balance. And leg down.
Wow. That is easier.
And then we can do the other leg, Joe.
Okay. Here we go.
Ready? So up on your left leg, on your right leg,
Okay.
sorry. See if you can see right.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Woo. Don't mind when your leg goes down. Just continue. It's not easy to balance.
It is balance. And that's why you need to work on your core. As you can see, I'm struggling myself.
You have to pull in your stomach so you can balance. Okay. Wow.
One more.
I can feel it, you know.
Good. Start.
Okay, so we
And-
now, oh, I didn't even move my leg.
That's okay. So you're very good. I will do the easier version. And now, I'm going to show you another one where you go down.
Yeah. I think we need to get it a bit back for the recording. Or is
Go
it
back.
well, it's okay?
Are
That's
you
okay
alright
with
with
you?
me now? And we're just going to lift the bum by clenching the bum cheeks.
Wow.
Joey's showing you another version so you can actually do a press up. Remember, keep your back tight, your stomach in. This is great. Great for your bum
Yeah. And for your
and
abs.
for your abs, of course. Keep
All right.
breathing.
That's right. And pull your stomach in. Ooh,
This is good.
very good. Ooh.
Two more, John. Okay.
I think we can do the other one again.
Yeah.
You have to do this for 30 minutes.
Up and down.
Yep.
When you're ready, John, I'm ready.
Okay. 1 second. Oh. For 30 minutes, please. Okay. We start with the right. Okay. Here we go.
Make sure you're tight.
Ooh.
Oh, your abs in. And breathe. It's not a competition, so it's not as fast as you do it, as long as you get the technique right.
That's right.
Change over, Joe.
Do the alternative.
Yes, okay. We do it on the other leg, Joe.
Okay.
So down and up, Joe. And you still find that very challenging. Do you find it
I
challenging?
know. It's very challenging. Oh.
Breathe. Hold the ball tight.
Okay. Well done, Joe. Oh, well done. It's so good to work out. And we encourage you to keep on working out for 30 minutes. Please give us a feedback. We would love to hear from you, isn't it?
Keep working, guys. Don't stop.